Got a new feathered friend who thinks you're a giant monster? Don't worry, taming your bird is easier than you think. Let's turn that squawk into a happy chirp. First, start slow. Place your hand near the cage and let your bird get used to you, no sudden ninja moves. Next, offer treats through the bars. Birds love snacks just like we do. Once your buddy takes treats calmly, open the cage and let them come to you. Patience is key. Think of it like making a shy kid laugh. Talk softly, move gently, and celebrate every tiny win. Yes, even if it's just a sideways glance. If your bird hops onto your hand, jackpot, stay chill and don't force it. Repeat short sessions every day, and soon, you'll have a tame, happy bird who actually wants to hang out. Remember, go slow, give treats, and be your bird's best buddy. Now go earn that bird's trust, one treat at a time.